how those rub marks right there at the top happen. In the heat of the moment, I usually don't ask people about these unless we're having a conversation about it already, like when I pick up that 25-inch Philips Magnavox set that looked like my childhood TV. If you saw my post about the tube that should be compatible with an arcade chassis. And yeah, the person I sold that to, they don't want to do that, so it's been spared for now. Unlike the sandhill, but whatever. Gotta get the macaroni and cheese and poop out of there. If you don't know why I've been saying that, it's from an LGR video. And he was restoring a ThinkPad. It's a 380 ED or something like that. Nothing else off. Right now. Okay. Plastic work bit. Stick stuff in there. Kind of ugly, but doesn't matter as long as it works well. Has a good picture. It's lasted this long. 9 times out of 10, CRT TVs are retired because they're old and low res. Sometimes they're faulty. Not a whole lot. Sometimes. Could repaint it, but who cares? Could recap it, but it works perfectly. We only turned it on to see smell though, same with the Sylvania, which didn't have complete horizontal deflection, but tried it a second time and it did. Fun, I like doing this, if I have to. Don't mind my hands, they're pretty banged up from doing stuff. Okay, there's the top done. That side's done. And that side's done. Did this to the 85 Zenith, and I care about that set too, but it's not going to get that bad, that scratched. Oh, this, you know, that I'm going to this off. Okay, nice and simple. Okay, shower. Put the TV out, man. Actually, I will. Because the same, on the inside is greasy and so forth. That's pretty clean, look at that. That's better than my phone, but you know, it's not really a fair comparison because this is a camcorder. It's not like a phone camera. You need to clean the inside because it's greasy. Now I'm gonna have taco casa for lunch. Some gunk right there. Ew. There's some filth right there. I'll go after that. How does this get so worn up? Jeez, I can't speak that great today. That's greasy. Found this on the side of the road in a box a few bulk pickups ago. Not supposed to throw chemicals out. So poor you can't buy your own? Well, no, I'm not. I'm sure I can buy my own, but there's already some out there. Simple Green, a gallon of Simple Green is only $10. I thought it would have been like 30 or 40. Cuts through tough grease and grime. Stainless steel, synthetic marble. The hell is that? Glazed tile, linoleum, countertops, stovetops, appliance, exterior, sinks, floors, cabinets, tubs, and walls. 2016, made in the USA. I use way too much. Perfect. Gotta catch up on his videos. That's some gunk right there. Is that paint deteriorating? Looks like the lack of paint. This video's too long, even though I sped up the clips. Need to do them faster. No one ever complains about that. I don't get a whole lot of hate comments, which is weird. I'd like to see a good conversation on one of my videos. Why does it look like it's not focusing? Unrenovated from the earth. Yeah, jeez. It's kind of like this house. The bathroom was renovated. It looks awful too. I put the tube back in a while ago. And there it is. So let's put it up on the table and see if there's any scratches on it. Probably is, and I don't care. I have a feeling there's not though. Can't even see that scratch right there. It's vertical though. Wow. That's not bad considering how filthy it was. Can't do that with my phone on the fly. Didn't take that off. I don't see the need to. It's hot like summer. I had to put my put a t-shirt on. My t-shirt. Yeah, like I only have one. No, I don't. I have more than one. Jeez. MV, don't know what that is. It's not Magnavox because there's a Sylvania. It had a Sylvania too. It still had the MV. So I don't know about that.